Away from that, Delta State Governor Oborevwori has charged political appointees in the state to champion the whistle-blowing policy of his administration by reporting poorly executed projects in their areas for prompt action. Governor Oborevwori gave the charge while swearing in Senator Appointees as his chief advisor, together with other appointees at the Unity Hall, Government House, Asaba, the state capital. Oborevwori said video recordings and information on any poorly executed project would help government in blacklisting erring contractors, in addition to putting an end to the abandonment of projects and execution of jobs contrary to terms of contractual agreements.
It is also my intention that all political appointees may take constant interface with their wards and whole government councils, not just coming to stay in Asaba. Go back to your ward, interface with your people in your unit, in your local government. And I believe with that, we'll be having the feelers from the people. We are committed to bringing the dividend of democracy to the grassroots. And all appointees are an essential part of that process. Rest assured that your performance will be closely monitored and will be used in assessing your effectiveness. During an interactive section with top government, public and civil servants, I announced my intention to open a hotline for residents to report cases of substandard jobs by contractors to my office. This is an initiative that will assist the government to ensure that government gets full value for the money spent on projects. Political appointees must take the lead in this wise by monitoring projects in their localities and advise government accordingly. Because all these projects are in your place. So if you see anything that is not good, and somebody is doing a project that you know is not up to standard, you just film it, send it. It will help us. That will save me going around the 270 words. You know it's not easy, but we'll achieve it in Jesus' name.
While congratulating Chief Amori on his appointment and subsequent inauguration, the governor said the appointment was in accordance with Section 196, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as altered. Oborevwori highlighted Chief Amori as one of the founding fathers of PDP in Delta State, who has played significant roles in the development of the party, both locally and nationally.
Chief Amori, as you all may be aware, is one of the founding fathers of PDP in Delta State.
Speaking shortly after his swearing in, the chief advisor to the governor, Senator Appointees, appreciated Governor Oborevwori for the appointment and other platforms given to him to serve the state and party. He pledged to offer useful advice that would advance the state in all sectors. Quest correspondent Charles Kosipu reports that Amori also called on Deltans to redouble their support for the governor in his drive to accelerate the tempo of sustainable socio-economic and infrastructural development of the state.